push on it with hurricanes and storming. Here we are. We're getting some of the the outer rain bands are coming. And I'm going to get out here so I can get a better view of these. It's starting to, I can feel the sprinkles already. But look at that. Isn't that a beautiful? These are some of the outer rain bands that are starting to come in. And I'm trying to get Gizmo to go to the potty, so I thought I'd bring him over here for a change of pace. Wind is picking up some. We're going to try to be safe, and we're just walking around. So, but I just wanted you to see it's coming. We're not going to get it as bad as I thought it was going to be. So, yeah, you can hear the wind. I'm going to shut up and let you hear it. People are finishing preparations on their houses, and it's coming down really hard, so I'm going to cut it right here. Bye.